Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your email address in Codecademy account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in codecademy.com and click on enter. You will be directed to the page of Codecademy. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now at the top navigation bar under your profile button, click on it. Then you will see account plus billing option. Click on this option. Now under the email section you can see change button. Click on this. After that, type in your new email address on this field here. Now type a password on this field. After typing it, click on save button and you may need to verify using your new email address. After that, your email address will be changed. So that is how you can change your email on Codecademy account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.